Good day to Dr. Jamil. I am Nicoleen D, magic number at 6733. In today's video, I'm going to present my research, which is my proposal. So, the first one is my content for today's presentation. This is my content. And next, the first one is the research title. So, in my research, the title will be a study of a learning element through the interaction of children behavior among eczema disorder of the development of innovative product design. So next is my abstract. This is the abstract and I'm going to elaborate it a bit. So the eczema is a skin condition that causes significant discomfort and presents numerous challenges, particularly for all children and their parents or caregiver. So this research will be aimed on how to improve the management of eczema by gaining a comprehensive understanding of the needs of their affected family. So this research will be inform the development of innovative product and strategy designed to enhance the quality of life for the family dealing with this eczema. So next is the research problem for my eczema research. So people with eczema have challenges that negatively affected their lives, particularly for the children. Children with this eczema can develop it anyway, it causing redness on their body that intensifies into increasing itching that affected the child behavior and also their quality of life. So third, the research indicate that moderate and severe eczema, which afflicted with 14% and 2% of the population respectively, may profoundly damage quality of life and psychosocial function. Some individuals there still believe that eczema is just a common disease that can be cured. This is the research from the Cox et al. In 2011. Thus, just like with other children, research on this eczema can aid in enhancing quality of their life and promoting the controlled lifestyle for these children who are affected with eczema. So for my research, there will be three objectives, which is the first one is to identify the element in the children eating behavior that cause an eczema. Second is to analyze the initiative taken by the parents on how they reduce eczema symptoms among their children. And the last objective is to propose an innovative design that can help reducing the eczema symptom among children. So the main question that I'm going to do on my research is the first one: what are the elements in children eating behavior that cause an eczema? Second, what are the initiatives taken by the parents on how they reduce eczema symptoms among their children? And the last question is, what are the innovative designs that can help reducing eczema symptoms among children? So my research design, the first one is, what is my study location? So my study location will be held in my faculty, which is Faculty of Applied and Creative Arts at UNIMAS, and the main location that I will do my research will be in my hometown, Kota Belud, Sabah. The next is the study population. Will be an open interview, observation, and mock-up test study will be conducted with five parents or guardians or caregiver and also 5 children who are affected with eczema. So the third one is sampling method and subject requirement. So this qualitative research study will be employed purposive sampling to achieve its objective. So a total of 5 children patients with eczema, which is particularly focused on the children, and 5 parents or guardians will be selected to participate in this study, in my study. So the last one is research instrument. So I will be use 3 instruments. The first one is my phone, which is iPhone 11. Second one is my laptop, HP laptop 14 series, and the last one is I'm going to use CapCut video editor application for my coding analysis. Moving on is my research method. In my research, I'm going to use qualitative method, where I'm going to do an interview, observation, and the last one will be the design process. So this is my data collection and analysis. So the first is data collection. From the respondent 1, the transcription that I got is when I do the interview is when I treat the affected part of my child body, I use cotton to apply the medicine of my child body. So this is the visual data, which is I take a picture when I do the observation or interview. So in this visual data, the activity that the respondent do is show on how to cure on her child body. So next, moving on, will be the analysis, where I use 3 analysis: open coding, actual coding, and selective coding. For open coding, the respondent 1, the transcription that I got is when I treat the affected part of my child body, I use cotton to apply the medicine on the body. So the attribute that I got from this transcription is the respondent feel less comfortable when treating sensitive part. So the open codings that I got for this analysis is touching sensitive part with inappropriate objective may cause infection. For the respondent 2, the transcription that I got is when I treat the affected part of my child body, I may use my hand to apply the medicine. And the attributes that I got is the respondent will hesitate when handling sensitive part with hands. So the open codings that I got is touching sensitive parts with hands that causes infection. Next is the actual coding. Respondent 1 say, from the information that I got from the open codings, which is touching sensitive parts with inappropriate object may cause infection. So the actual code that I got from this information is the system is needed to reduce the possibility of infection. And for the respondent 2, the open coding that I got is feel hesitate when handling sensitive parts with hands. So from this information in open codes, the actual code that I got is the system is needed to reduce the contact that can lead the infection. So from all that, in selective coding, from the open codes and the actual code, it will be gathered in one table on the selective coding. So selective coding that I got from the information in open codes and actual codes, the design feature of the transfer device should aim to minimize the risk of infection in children with eczema, particularly those with highly sensitive skin. So this is the 10 literature review metrics that I use from my research, where I got all the information about eczema. And the last one is the ethnical consideration that I use for my research, where I have 5 ethnical consideration, which is research must obtain informed consent from parents. Second one is ensure that personal information about parents and children is kept confidential. And third is ensure that the research has the potential to benefit, participate, and contribute or the contributor. And fourth is respect the autonomy and dignity both parents and children. And the last technical consideration is be transparent about research objective, methods, and potential outcomes. And this is the last part where it's my conclusion for my presentation today. So the conclusion for my presentation or proposal for my research, the research contributes to increasing knowledge about eczema management and offer practical solution to improve the quality life of children with eczema and their caregiver or parents. So by focusing on understanding the needs and challenges of the target population, which is the children with eczema and also their parents and caregiver, this study paves the way for future interventions and advance in eczema care. So that's the end for my presentation today. Thank you so much and have a nice day.